Daylilies, a beautiful and low-maintenance choice for your garden. Daylilies are popular among gardeners for their stunning blooms, low maintenance requirements, and adaptability to various growing conditions. These perennials offer an impressive display of color and texture that can brighten up any garden. This content will delve into the fascinating world of daylilies, discussing their appearance, growing zones, planting, care, and maintenance. Colors and appearance. Daylilies, belonging to the Hemerocallis genus, are available in various colors, including shades of yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, and even near white. These trumpet-shaped flowers usually have 6 petals and can measure up to 6 inches, or 15 centimeters, in diameter. The leaves are long, slender, and arching, forming a dense, grass-like clump. The flower stems, called scapes, can grow up to 4 feet, or 1.2 meters, tall, depending on the variety. Growing zones and environmental conditions. Daylilies are native to Asia and thrive in USDA plant hardiness zones 3 to 9. These versatile perennials can tolerate various soil types, but prefer well-draining, slightly acidic soil with a pH level of 6.0 to 6.5. While they can grow in partial shade, daylilies perform best in full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Latin names. The Hemerocallis genus contains over 80,000 registered cultivars, making it one of the most diverse flowering perennials. Some popular daylily cultivars include Hemerocallis Stella de Oro daylily, Hemerocallis ruby spider daylily, Hemerocallis happy returns daylily, Hemerocallis moonlit masquerade daylily. Pollinators they attract. Daylilies attract many pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Their nectar-rich flowers provide a valuable food source for these beneficial insects and birds. When to plant daylilies? The ideal time to plant daylilies is in the spring or early fall, allowing the plants to establish a strong root system before summer heat or winter cold. Planting, care, and maintenance. Prepare the planting site by loosening the soil to a depth of 12 to 15 inches, or 30-38 centimeters, and incorporating compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Space plants 18 to 24 inches, 45-60 centimeters, apart to ensure proper air circulation and room for growth. Water newly planted daylilies regularly during the first growing season to establish a deep root system. Once established, daylilies are relatively drought-tolerant and require minimal watering. Apply a layer of mulch around the plants to help conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Daylilies are low maintenance, but removing spent flowers and cutting back the scapes after blooming will promote a neater appearance and prevent self-seeding. Fertilize daylilies with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring and again in mid-summer to support robust growth and flowering. Divide mature plants every 3 to 5 years in the spring or early fall to maintain vigor and promote healthy growth. Daylilies are a fantastic addition to any garden, offering a stunning display of color and a low-maintenance growth habit. Following the planting and care guidelines outlined above, you can create a beautiful and thriving daylily garden that will bring joy and color to your outdoor space for years to come. These versatile perennials are attractive and highly adaptable, making them an excellent choice for gardeners of all experience levels.